Hi everyone, I'm Alexey, founder of Planner 5D. Our topic today is called From Upload Experience, Scaling 3D Design with Planner 5D and RapidPipeline. I will be giving you a quick look at how we've been working with RapidPipeline and how it's helping us take things to the next level. Let's jump in. Planner 5D is a Vilnius, Lithuania-based company. It was founded in 2011. We're building 2D and 3D home design platform which allows any kind of user bring their dream homes to life with the help of AI. No design background needed, no professional training needed. Whether you are a professional or just a homeowner, you can create great looking designs with our tools in minutes. And one of our amazing features is called 3D model import, which lets users upload 3D models in various formats and start using them right away in our 3D editor. Before we teamed up with RapidPipeline, a lot of the 3D models our users uploaded were just too heavy and very complex. Now, with the help of RapidPipeline, we can automatically optimize these models, which means faster uploads and much better performance across any kind of devices. When a model is too large, we pass it to a RapidPipeline to shrink it down without losing the quality. We also have limits on things like mesh vertex count, especially important for Android devices. RapidPipeline helps us to remesh models so we can convert them to our Planner 5D own format without any issues. And this has a real impact on our users. They get faster load times and much smoother design experience thanks to optimization we're doing with RapidPipeline. Let me also quickly show you some of our AI tools we have built. The first one called Upload a Plan. Just take a picture of a floor plan, upload it, and AI will turn it into an interactive digital 3D version. Another tool called Smart Wizard. You as a user tell us what you like, and it creates a full 3D layout with furniture, decoration, lighting, and everything is auto-generated. Home Scanner. Use your iPhone's camera to scan a room and instantly turn it into a 2D or 3D floor plan in our app. It captures walls, furniture, decoration, any interior design items, and layout itself. Our friendly design assistant chatbot called Bernard. It helps with ideas, tips, and tricks and can tweak designs based on what you want and what you need. And the last thing is called AI Designer. This tool helps you to customize your space with a smart furniture placement, suggestions, with a minimal efforts from your side. Thanks so much for listening to me. If you have any questions or you want to chat more, let's keep in touch. Thank you and bye-bye.